First press Alt plus Ctrl plus Delete. Select your task manager. Locate your Windows Explorer service. Right-click it. Select End Task. Click on File. Select Run New Task. Type explorer.x. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. That didn't work. First open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update.